Hey everyone, successful teamwork depends on clear communication and staying organized. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate with your team in Asana using tasks, comments, mentions, conversations, and project tools. So yeah, let's see how Asana can help your team work together more effectively. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Then choose an existing project or create a new one for your team. Projects give everyone a shared place to organize tasks, deadlines, files, and updates. To collaborate, make sure the right people have access to your project. Open the project sharing settings and invite teammates by adding their names or email addresses. Once added, team members can view tasks, make updates, and communicate inside Asana. Next, assign tasks to the people responsible for completing them. Open a task, choose an assignee, and add important details like descriptions, deadlines, and priorities. Clearly assigned tasks help everyone understand who is responsible for each piece of work. Asana makes communication easier with task comments. Team members can leave updates, ask questions, and share information directly inside the task. You can also mention teammates using the @ symbol so they receive a notification and can respond quickly. You can also attach files, documents, and important resources directly to tasks. This keeps everything connected instead of searching through different apps. Having conversations and files in one place makes teamwork much smoother. Different teams work in different ways, so Asana provides multiple project views. Use List View for detailed task tracking, Board View for visual workflows, Calendar View for deadlines, and Timeline View for planning schedules. Regular updates help your team stay aligned. Use project status updates, task comments, and notifications to share progress and highlight any issues. Even a quick update can prevent confusion and keep projects moving forward. For larger teams, use Asana conversations and team pages to share announcements, discuss ideas, and keep everyone informed. This creates a central communication space where important information is easy to find, and that's how to collaborate with your team in Asana. By combining task assignments, comments, file sharing, and project updates, your team can stay organized and work together more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.